Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create silver metallic texture effect background in Adobe Photoshop. Click on Set Background Color R198, G200, B199. Gradient Tool shortcut G. Click to edit the gradient R236, G234, B234. Select color top and drag with Alt key for duplicate color top. Draw gradient horizontally with gradient tool. Go to filter menu and noise and add noise. Amount 20%. Distribution uniform. Again go to filter menu and blur and motion blur. Angle 0. Distance 40 pixels. Go to image menu and adjustments and curves. Output 255, input 250. Finally, your silver metallic texture background is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create metallic texture effect background design in Adobe Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.